everyone, in this video of demonstration, in this we are going to see if we can control this nodeMCU pins using Google Assistant. So this is just a demonstration. The code and other things will be shared after my exams are over. So at present I am just demonstrating. So if I will say to my Google Assistant to turn on the light, it will turn on the LED. See, turn on the light. You saw? It said okay, turning on the LED, and get this LED turned on. So now if I will say okay Google, turn off the light. So I gave the command to the Google, and yes, it told that okay, turning off the LED, and it turned off. So basically what happens is the Google Assistant has been authorized, and then it's transferred to like a server, and there's a process. So I'll be sharing the code and other things very soon after my exams are over. So thank you for watching this small project demonstration, and with this actually you can control your smart devices. Like now normally the bulbs or lights that you can control with Google Assistant start from $150, whereas this just costs $4, and you can use a relay of $1, and you can control your existing light bulbs. So the project will be coming very soon. Stay tuned for that. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time.